Welcome to JH. Grab750.com claims to hand out free Target gift cards like they're candy, promising amazing rewards after just a few easy steps. But is this platform actually legit, or is it just another digital trap designed to waste your time? Let's dive into the details and see if we can find any signs of life. First off, we checked the registration details and found that the website was created in September 2025. That's pretty fresh enough that the digital paint hasn't even dried yet. Most trustworthy sites have a history longer than a TikTok trend, but this one is basically a newborn in a trench coat trying to look professional. When we dared to click the Apply Now button, the site immediately tossed us over to a completely different website. Because nothing says trustworthy like a surprise trip to a random URL you didn't ask for. This is a classic move for sites using click tracking or affiliate links to farm traffic. It's not about giving you rewards. It's about using you as a product while putting your privacy and security at risk. We also went hunting for social media accounts, but apparently, Grab750 is too shy for Facebook or Instagram. There is absolutely no online presence to be found anywhere. To make things even more sketchy, the website is missing a privacy policy, contact info, and an About Us page. It's like a mystery novel, except instead of a detective, you're the one getting ghosted by a site that won't even tell you who's running it. Finally, we checked Trustpilot and found a whole lot of nothing. No reviews, no feedback, just a void of silence. Without verified proof, it's safe to say those rewards are about as real as a unicorn. Based on the lack of transparency and the shady redirects, this looks like a textbook scam. Do yourself a favor and keep your personal info far away from this site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reality checks on these online platforms.